couple of years ago, 2 years ago, we had a skylight installed in the kitchen here, and it brings in a lot of natural light. All the electrical lights are turned off at the moment, and you can see the skylights right there. Now we're going to put a skylight in this other side of the room here. It'll go up right next to those lights there. And this is a lot brighter than, this is a lot darker than what it appears on the video. The video enhances light or whatever, video camera. It's actually a little bit on the dark side in here, on this side of the dining room. But I'll put a skylight in here and it'll brighten this up. So we got that skylight installed, and here you can see it really brightens this room up quite a bit. Let's see, skylights up there. So this will really help lighten up this room here during the daytime. So this is a new area that I planted grass at a couple weeks ago, and it's starting to come in. There's some grass coming in there. One thing I've noticed is that center area there, that's not getting as much water. It's about a strip, 2-foot wide strip, left to right. I'm getting water back there, and I'm getting water down here. And the reason is this sprinkler head right there, that one, that thing leans forward, so it reduces the distance that spray travels. So I'm going to raise that head up as a temporary measure, but I need to dig that out and reattach that connection point so it's straight, and rather than bend forward to correct that. So now I'm going to cut out this one sprinkler head and replace it so I get them straight. So I'm going to use my Dremel. The last thing I saw, it's really easy to get access to cut these. I'm going to cut back in here somewhere, because by the time I put these slice connections in here, it'll get it back over this way. I'm going to cut it back here a little bit. So I got that sprinkler head reinstalled and it's straighter, so it should shoot farther. Last time, that stake right there, that's where the water stopped from that sprinkler head. So let's see if it's getting a little farther there. So it looks like I got about another foot. Oh, that's good. I may have to adjust some sprinklers on the other side, but this is better.